How to delete Reels on Facebook after posting. Want to remove a Facebook Reel you've already posted? I'll show you exactly how to delete Reels on Facebook using your mobile app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture or name. Scroll down to find the reel you want to delete. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the reel. From the menu, select Delete Reel. Then confirm by tapping Delete again. Your reel will now be permanently removed from Facebook and won't be visible to anyone. If you have multiple reels to delete, repeat the same steps for each one. Remember, once deleted, reels cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming. That's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily delete Facebook Reels after posting using your mobile app. If this video helped you, tap like, leave a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Facebook and mobile tutorials.